Xavian.
Marco Colbert, Speedo Co Refinish Network. All right, it is the day all of you have been waiting for. We got our first limo in the shop. Didn't know when this day was going to come, but it finally came. So as you guys saw in a little bit of the beginning footage, we did Speedo Coat filler all down the side. It was rusted. There was previous bodywork done, and it had all failed. We grinded it out, refilled it with the Speedo Coat Gold filler. You guys want the part number, it's SF5003, found on www.speedocoat.com. And we topped it off with the Speedo Coat Black primer because we are using a black single stage. So this will tremendously help with coverage. Part number SS2790B. Wanted the highest build possible because we were sanding very rough on this. So we wanted a really thick primer that was going to fill in all the sand scratches. So we sprayed it 4-to-1. Zero reducer with a 1.8 tip. Worked out pretty good. For the paint, we have got the Speedo Color. This is our new colors brand. It's been out for about a year now. This is a single stage I have never sprayed on this channel ever. A lot of people are going to ask, what's the difference between this and the other generic high gloss jet black single stage we offer for like 30 bucks cheaper? This is a 4-to-1. You're getting more paint product. You're getting a full gallon of paint and a full quart of reducer. And this is also a little bit more of a premium product with a little bit higher solids content. So let's get some paint in the gun, see what we can do.
Xavian.
Alright, so the key with single stage really is spraying the paint just like you would clear coat. So the first coat, you don't want to get any dry spots with single stage. I will say that. You do want to get at least a full seal, minimal dry spots. If you do get a couple minor dry spots, usually you can smooth it over on the second coat. However, you typically want to get everything pretty wet. But you do want your first coat to be lighter than your second coat. Now, as you guys can see, pay attention to the motion of my body and my gun.
I am moving very slow on this second coat because I can do that. The first coat acts like the glue, just like clear coat, right? And then you're putting on that second coat, and that second coat, reasonably heavy. You want to go medium wet to semi-full wet, is going to cling to that first coat. And that's going to create a glass finish like you want.